This is just a look at. The following is item info: USB-C cable XIAE 5-pack 3-foot 3-foot 6-foot 6-foot 10 F00T USB-A to Type-C nylon braided fast charging cable, aluminum housing, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, Note 9, 8s, 8 Plus, LG V30, V20, G6, Huawei IP30/P20 navy and blue by XIAE. Cost $9.99. Purchased on Amazon. Fast charging speed, compliant with USB Type-C specification version 1.1, 56 kOhm, ensuring a maximum charge of 3A. Low resistance internal pure copper wire ensures a maximum charging speed of up to 3A and transmits data up to 480 Mbits.For. Ensure the charging speed of your device. Please use the original USB-C port wall charger, or high-quality charger which can support QC 2.0/3.0 fast charging. Durable. The durable nylon woven fabric is made of a high-quality aluminum casing that makes the charger cable resistant to oxidation. Excellent resistance to twisting and abrasion. With a tested 10,000 plus bend lifespan. Multiple lengths, 3/3/6/6 10 feet. Different lengths can be used on sofas, beds, cars, and other places. Perfect for long enough wires to enjoy data synchronization and charging anytime, anywhere, without worrying about taking the cable anywhere. Compatibility: compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S9, Note 8, 9s, S8, S8 Plus, Razer, Google Pixel 2, Pixel, Nexus 5X, Nexus 6P, LG V30, V20, G6, G5, Sony Xperia XZ, Huawei Honor 9/8, Motorola Moto X4 Z2, HTC U11, and all USB-C compatible phones and tablets. Warranty policy: each sale includes a 180-day worry-free warranty to demonstrate our commitment to quality. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. USB-C cable XIAE 5-pack, 3/3/6/6/10 FT, USB-A to Type-C nylon braided fast charging cable, aluminum housing, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, Note 9, 8s, 8 Plus, LG V30, V20, G6, Huawei IP30 and P20 navy and blue. Product description: color navy and blue. A trademark compatibility. A Samsung Galaxy S10, Samsung Galaxy S9/S9 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S8/S8 Plus, a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 9th, Samsung Galaxy A8/A8 Plus, 2018, a LG G5, LG G6, LG V20, LG V30. A Moto Z Force, Moto Z Play, Moto Z2 Force, Moto Z2 Play. A Google Pixel/Pixel XL, Google Pixel 2/Pixel 2 XL. A Huawei IP20/P20 Pro, P10/P10 Plus, P9/P9 Plus, Mate 9/Mate 9 Pro, Nova/Nova Plus, G9 Plus, and other USB-C devices. A trademark connectors. This user-friendly design allows you to plug into all your USB Type-C compatible devices without worrying about the orientation of the port. Premium aluminum housing adds the durability of the cable. A trademark high-speed syncing. USB Type-C specification version 1.1, 56 kOhm, standard identification, which ensures a safe charging at 3.0 A maximum and the speed of data sync up to 480 Mbps. The maximum charge of 1 foot is 3.1 A. The maximum charge of 2 feet and 3 feet is 2.4 A. A trademark extremely durability. Nylon braided USB-C cable with a bend lifespan of 10,000 plus and seamlessly molded joints, more flexible and durable. A trademark fast charge and data transmission. Compact gold-tipped connections offer the best possible conductivity and connection for data and charging. Fits easily and securely into your device, while fitting most cases. A trademark proper length. The cable is ideal for varied occasions. You can still use your devices while charging with an adapter in your bedroom, kitchen, and at the back seat of your car. Comfortable and convenient experience. No more annoying messages, no constant reminder in the phone screen telling you the frustrating truth that the cable cannot charge your favorite device. A trademark end user tips. Make sure the charger output does not exceed 5V/2A when your phone is charged, providing double protection for your phone charging safety. Product information. Color navy and blue, package dimensions 8.3 x 4.1 x 1.3 inches, item weight 7.2 ounces. ASIN B081CQ1YT6. Other display features: wireless display on website, color navy and blue. Manufacturer XIAE, date first available November 12, 2019.